Hello everyone. So if you want to set up your Xiaomi Redmi 13 for ease of use by seniors, first of all, open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to your additional settings right here. In your additional settings, find your accessibility tab. In your accessibility tab, choose vision. So let's do some things. So first of all, choose your display size, make it bigger. Go back. Now choose your magnification option, turn it on, press got it. Now with using of it, we can zoom in a lot of things on our screen, which is going to be really useful for our elders. The next thing to do is to remove your animations. This will make your phone work easier and faster without animation, which is great. The next thing is I recommend doing is to turn on your high contrast text. So as you see, now it's highly contrasted and it's gonna be more noticeable for people with a bad vision. Now, last but not least, is to turn on your light mode. So open up your home screen tab, choose your home screen, and choose your light mode. And now, everything is bigger and simpler, which is better for our elders. And basically that's it. Now your Xiaomi Redmi 13 is set up to be more user-friendly for seniors. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.